Namaskar. Welcome to Personality Development Session 3. Today we will be talking about stress-free personality. In the last two sessions, in the first session, we have talked about the concept of honesty. If we want to develop our personality, we have to have an honest concept. That is, we have to follow the path of honesty. In the second session, I had given you a message regarding personality development, that we need to have a pleasing personality where we don't have to feel jealous. In these two sessions, I have given you devotion, dedication, and discipline, the 3 Ds, as well as the 3 Cs, that we have to be very confident. We have to feel that we are capable and we have that capacity. So now today, the session is of stress-free personality. Yes, it is very, very true. It is very essential for personality development that we should have a stress-free personality. Now, many of us will believe that it is not possible. Yes, it is not possible. Then it is not impossible also. Yes, it is not possible, but it is not impossible. We have to have a stress-free personality. Few times the circumstances around us, few times people around us make us feel, and we come under stress because they make us feel sad, they make us feel shattered, they make us feel that we are not worth there is no worth of ours. But then also we have to have a confident personality where we have to think that my life is for me. I'm living my life for myself. I'm not living my life for others. Yes, as a person, like as Rousseau said, that when we are born free, but everywhere we are in chains. So it is very true that we are in chains of relationship. But for a stress-free personality, I have to think about myself also, because whatever I have to do, it is about me. If I want to really work for others also, if I'm not fine, I'm not fit, I cannot work. So I have to think, I have to feel that for a good personality, if I want to enhance my personality, I have to have a stress-free personality. For stress-free personality, the basic step is calmness, inner peace. I have to be happy from inside. I have to have an inner peace from inside. And that inner peace can be attained by meditation. Definitely, meditation has become a very big step, a revolutionary step in this, or mindfulness, as we say. Earlier people used to feel that because there were so many people around us, we can't have that calmness, we can't have that silence. But it is very, very essential to be in silence, to feel silence from within. It can be early morning, it can be when we are sleeping, but we have to be silent from inside. Yes, stress is basically anger, frustration. It is genuine. It is that it will come to us. But then we have to think, we have to feel again and again that I have to lead a good life. And for a good life, to lead a good life, I have to have a stress-free personality. Then I will have a happy life. So for this, we can do mindfulness, because when we do mindfulness, when we do an activity where we are just keeping our eyes closed in silence for 5 to 10 minutes also, though we have 24 hours, and sometimes we waste our time in many activities, but we don't do this activity where we are deliberately keeping our eyes closed and we are just thinking of the inner strength, our inner strength. Just silently, let us observe the outside sounds. Let us feel that refresh, the that rejuvenation in ourselves. We don't have to go to outside world to feel that freshness in ourselves. We have to feel that freshness from within. Likewise, when we do puja, or when we do take the path of spirituality where we attain that peace of mind, inner peace, then it becomes a stress free personality. And stress free personality is not that I will be always happy, I won't be feeling angry. No, it can be that yes, I can feel angry, I can feel few times ki, yes, I am under stress, but then that stress should be relieved there itself. Because if I'll be carrying it, it will be a burden on my head. And if it will become a burden on my head, then definitely it will work against my personality. So for good personality development, I need to have a stress-free personality, and meditation or mindfulness is the key to it. So 5 to 10 minutes we have to practice is just closing our eyes. We can chant uh, mantras, we can even talk to God. And for stress-free personality is very important to talk to ourselves as well as the Almighty. We can say nature, we can say power, because it is a proven fact that if we go to nature, likewise if we have balcony, we have flowers, we have some pots, we can have interaction with nature. It is also very good stress buster for us. Even music, listening to good music is a very good stress buster for us. Even indulging in activity which is making me happy is a good stress buster for us. So if we are keeping a good personality, if we want to have a good personality, we have to have a stress-free personality. For this 5 to 10 minutes, we have to give time to ourselves, where it is me time, only me, nothing else but me time. I'm just closing my eyes, I'm just thinking about myself. That, as I told you yesterday also, if we are born, we are not born to die. We are born to do something. And if we are born in some area, in some nation, or doing something, or we have work for it, then definitely there is a purpose of our existence. And if there is a purpose for our existence, let us work on that purpose. So for a good personality, it has to have a stress-free personality. Develop this art every day. Give time to yourself for 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for meditation. Yes, apart from your regular physical exercises, 5 to 10 minutes of meditation where we are just closing our eyes silently, just listening to ourselves, talking to ourselves, and thinking about ourselves, our growth, where we have to, if work for others also, others, it is, if me is fine, then I can work for you. Otherwise, I cannot work for you. So I think this personality development session 3, stress-free personality, will help you, and definitely you will start working on yourself for 5 to 10 minutes, giving time to me time for meditation or mindfulness, where you have to talk to yourself, you ignite your inner self, you have to be yourself, and it will further help and enhance your personality, and you will have a very good personality. So always have a stress-free life. All the best. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.